Hey friends, welcome to the first episode of Reviews for Life, where we review things from the perspective of a computer engineer. Today we're looking at the XP Pen Deco 3 drawing tablet. This drawing tablet has been my main piece of drawing equipment for the past 2 months, and I've been impressed by both the build quality and the functionality. Let's get into it. Inside the box, you get the drawing tablet, a pen case, the stylus, a lid that doubles as a pen holder, 8 spare nibs, a wireless dongle, a drawing glove, a USB-C cable, and some light reading material. Taking a closer look at the drawing tablet, it has an area of 14 by 7.6 inches with a drawing surface of 10 by 5.6 inches. On the front, there are 6 hotkeys and a dial. Both the red ring and the black center of the dial is made of plastic and provides a satisfying click when rotating. Honestly though, 6 hotkeys is not enough to cover my regular workflow. On the back, there is a simple power switch, and the USB-C charging port is on the left-hand side. There's nothing else along the other 3 sides. If you don't want to use the wireless capabilities, you can actually tether it to your computer using the included USB-C cable. The hard plastic pen case feels well built. Unscrewing the lid reveals the pen with a rubberized grip and 2 programmable buttons. The pen grip is about ½ an inch in diameter, so it's quite a bit thicker than a regular pencil. The pen doesn't have a battery, and so the obvious benefit is that I don't need to charge the pen separately. This also makes the pen extremely light, and I experience no fingertip fatigue after 2 to 3 hour long drawing sessions. The pen tip does travel very slightly, but I didn't notice this while using it. Now, unscrewing the other end of the pen case, we find 8 nibs and a very small USB Wi-Fi dongle. There are plenty of customization options in the driver software. There's left and right-handed support, Windows ink support, and pressure sensitivity settings. And there's an option to change the hotkey settings for both the buttons and the dial. The texture feels like a good ballpoint pen on paper. It's not as slippery as drawing on glass, but not as textured as a pencil on paper. The liftoff distance is about 1/4 of an inch, which I found to be sufficient when drawing. For some, especially if you're coming from an active stylus, this distance might be too low. Now onto the big selling point of this drawing tablet. Wireless capabilities works very well, but runs into typical issues seen in all 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi devices. You can expect jittery strokes when the dongle is not in line of sight of the tablet, or when it is close to Wi-Fi antennas. I noticed this issue come up, especially when downloading large files such as Windows updates or video games. However, if the receiver is within line of sight of the tablet, I found that the tablet works well even from 10 meters away. Battery life, not advertised, is about 4 days, with me drawing between 3 to 5 hours a day. For a full charge, it takes about 2.5 hours. Replacement nibs are also extremely cheap, at $10 or 14 Canadian, for 100 pieces on the XP Pen website. Link to that down below. And what about after sales support? Well, I was quite impressed at the response time with XP Pen. When I emailed them, I got a response within 2 hours. Of course, your mileage may vary, but this is quite impressive. I would absolutely recommend buying this tablet, but at what price point? Well, XP Pen's store from Amazon, link below, is about 150 Canadian or $110 right now. Compared to Huion's tablet offerings, $150 is a bit high, so anything under 140 would be fair. Under 120 would be a great price, and anything under 100 would be worth an impulse buy. So who should buy this? Well, if you're seriously thinking of getting into art, or if you're looking to upgrade to a larger surface, then you don't need to look any further. However, if you already have a drawing tablet and are looking to upgrade just for the wireless capabilities, then I would only get this if it's well within your budget. Not having to deal with the wires when I'm on the go is a huge convenience, but it's not worth the price of a new tablet. And that is a wrap for the XP Pen Deco 3 review. If you guys like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.